Good afternoon, Rose.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm well.
Okay, and how has your day been?
It's well.
Okay. All right. How do you see the test today?
I have finished my test, and I have a little bit unconfident about listening test.
You don't have confidence with listening?
Yes.
Okay. I know you do well. Okay, so let me ask you about how long have you been in this company? How long have you worked here?
I have been working for freelance company now for over 7 years.
For 7 years?
Yes.
Okay. And what do you do now? What is your role?
My current position is detail scheduling. I'm person in charge for making production schedule and ensure raw and material to meet the demand production.
Oh, making sure the materials meet the demand of production.
Yes.
Okay, that's well impressive. Okay, so the next question is about factories. And do you think factories should be full of robots or workers? What do you think?
I think it is good when we have both the factor, because robots will just help us with routine work, simple work, and some work with high skill and need to with high skill and more complicated. It will need a human. Yes.
Okay. How do you see factories in the future? Do you think they are going to change so much, or they are going to be as they are right now?
I really expect our company will become the first company becomes the first will be stand on the first market about manufacturing dairy product. Yes.
Okay. What is food safety?
Food safety is an activity handling food without contamination. Yes.
Yeah. Do you think it is safer to eat at home or out?
Sorry?
Which do you think is safer, eating at home or eating outside? Eating outside in the restaurant and eating at home, which of the two is safer?
I think at home is better.
It's better.
Yeah.
Really?
Because when we cook in at home, we will buy fresh food and other ingredient. But with some restaurant, we will maybe use freeze food.
Okay. What are some of the things that go into an agenda for a meeting? The information that goes into an agenda?
The goal is I think it is it will have have the meeting guests their purpose. It may be will not have any decision at the right time, but every participant joins the meeting will understand problem and have a deep understand about the problem.
Okay. Who should be invited to a meeting?
Secretary. Secretary.
Who should be invited before a meeting? Who are the participants that should be invited to the meeting?
Participant should be the person have knowledge about the issue, so about the topic of the meeting, and is the person have can give decision advice and finance accountant who is a person in charge for finance. Yes.
Great. I've got a couple of other questions for you. Why do some customers complain?
Customer have complaints because they feel they don't meet because they don't meet their expectation about good or service.
Okay. No, that is just one. Just give maybe 2 or 3. The reasons why customers complain. You said one, if their expectations are not met.
Yeah.
Okay. Is there another reason? Can you give me one more reason why customers complain?
They do it because they want to release their anger.
Yeah, that is true. And what are some of the best ways to handle customer complaints? Best ways to handle customer complaints.
I think the best way is listening. The first is listening complaint, and then move it to relate person or department can have explanation to customer.
Why do we say that a complaint is a gift?
Complaint is a gift because it will help us understand what customer desire and have customer choose.
Okay, Rose, thank you so much for your time. And these are all the questions I have for you. Okay?
Okay, thank you.